Okay, students. So now today we will discuss how to prove that root 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Before this, we already have proved that root 5 is an irrational number, which you can watch in one of the previous videos. And I have discussed about root 11 in one of the video. And similarly, we can prove about root 5 and prove that about root 3 also. Means root 5, root 3, both are irrational number. Now some students write the reason for this like the sum of two irrational number is always an irrational number, which is wrong. Always remember, sum of two irrational numbers can be rational or irrational both. For example, if we say root 5 plus 1 and 1 minus root 5, these two are irrational numbers. But if we add them, root 5 will be cancelled out 2 and 2 is a rational number. Means sum of two irrational numbers can be rational as well as irrational. Like this root 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. But how to prove that root 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number? This is the main problem for the students. Though it's very easy, and we will use the result that root 5 is a rational number for this. Okay. Whenever you have to prove that root 5 plus root 3 is a rational number, so either we have to use root 5 is a rational number or we have to use root 3 is an irrational number. Either use root 5 is an irrational number or use root 3 is an irrational number. Now, solution. So in this also, whenever we have to prove that an irrational number is an irrational number, though we know that it's an irrational number, still we have to assume that let it be a rational number. Let's assume root 5 plus root 3 is a rational number. Okay. So if it's a rational number, so we know that it can be represented in P by Q form. As we know that definition of rational number, a rational number is a number which can be represented in the form of P by Q with Q not equal to 0 and P and Q are co-prime integers. This is the definition of rational number, which also you can learn from the first video of rational number, discussion of theory of rational number. So when we have assumed that root 5 plus root 3 is a rational number, now it can be represented in the form of P by Q. Means therefore root 5 plus root 3 we can assume it to be equal to P by Q with Q not equal to 0, P and Q co-prime integers. So this is the complete definition of a rational number. The rational number is a number which can be represented in the form of P by Q with Q means denominator cannot be 0. P and Q are co-prime integers. And you know that co-prime integers and the integers which have only one as their common factor, though it is not required in the proving of root 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So we have assumed that root 5 plus root 3 is a rational number. So it can be expressed in the form of P by Q with Q not equal to 0, P and Q co-prime integers. So how to prove that our assumption is wrong? For this, what should we do to remove the square root? So first we will minimize the number of square roots. If we write this root 5 in one of the side and transfer root 3 to the next side, right hand side, and then square both sides. So the square root from this root 5 can be removed easily. So we write squaring both sides. We will try to solve this question, the remaining part in this part. Okay. So squaring both sides, we get root 5 whole square equals to p by q minus root 3 whole square. It implies 5 equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 5 minus 3, 2. So first we transfer this term, which has an irrational number root 3, to the same side. So it is 2p root 3 by q, which is equal to p square by q square plus 3 minus 5. It implies we get 2p root 3 by q equals to, if we transfer this term containing irrational part, 2p by q by root 3, in left hand side it is equal to p square by q square plus 3 minus 5. That is p square by q square minus 2. It implies, now leave this root 3 alone and transfer all the terms to the next side, that is right hand side. P square by q square minus 2 into q by 2p. It implies root 3 equals to, when we multiply p square by q square with this q by 2p, p square by q square into q by 2p minus 2 into q by 2p, it is giving root 3 equals to, q will be cancelled out, p square by 2p is p by 2 only. It was also q square, p by 2q minus 2 is also cancelled out, q by p. Okay, that is root 3 equals to, if we take the LCM, it is 2pq. Numerator is p square minus 2q square. Now, as p and q are integers, we have assumed this, that they are co-prime integers, means they are integers at least. Now, as p and q are integers, it means, it implies p square and q square are also integers. That is p square and 2q square and 2pq are all integers, and the ratio of two integers, like p by q is an integer, p by q is a rational number. Similarly, this p square minus 2q square upon 2pq is a rational number. But in this equation number 1, if you observe, this p square minus 2 is q square upon 2pq is equal to root 3. So from equation 1, we can say that root 3, in this we have written that p square minus 2q square upon 2pq is a rational number. It means the term which is equal to it, that is root 3, is also a rational number. But we know that root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. So our assumption that we know that root 3 is an irrational number. Understood? And if root 3 is an irrational number, then what? We have assumed here that p square minus 2q square upon 2pq, it is based completely on our assumption. We know that root 3 is an irrational number, hence our assumption is wrong, we can say. Hence, our assumption is wrong. What we have assumed in first line, we have assumed that root 5 plus root 3 is a rational number. It means that is root 5 plus root 3 is a rational number which we have assumed is a wrong statement. And hence root 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Hence proved. Means whenever we have to prove that root 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number, first we should assume that root 5 plus root 3 is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, it must satisfy the definition of rational number. Rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q with q not equal to 0, p and q co-prime integers. So leaving this root 5 to the one side, when we transfer this root 3 to the next side, p by q minus root 3. So squaring both sides, we get root 5 whole square equals to p by q minus root 3 whole square, that is 5 equals to a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So p by q whole square, that is p square by q square plus root 3 whole square, that is 3 minus 2 into p by q into root 3, that is 2 into p by q root 3. It implies 2p root 3 by q. This term must be written alone, equals to p square by q square plus 3. And this 5 is transferred to right hand side, minus 5. So it becomes 2p root 3 by q equals to p square by q square minus 2. Now we make this root 3 alone. So this 2 is transferred to right hand side. P is transferred to right hand side. They go to the denominator. 2 is transferred to the right hand side, goes to the numerator. So 2p by q becomes q by 2p on transferring to right hand side. Now when we open the bracket, root 3 equals to p square by q square into q by 2p. So q will be cancelled out. 2 will be there. So denominator remains with q. 2q only, and denominator in numerator p will be cancelled out. So p by 2q minus q by p. When we simplify it, it is p square minus 2q square upon 2pq. Clearly. So root 3 equals to p square minus 2pq square upon 2pq. Now as p and q both are integers, means p square and 2q square are also the integers, and the denominator 2pq is also an integer. So their combination p square minus 2p square upon 2pq is also an integer. But from equation 1, we have assumed that p square minus 2q square upon 2pq equals to root 3. It means Root 3 is also a rational number. When p square minus 2p square, 2q square upon 2pq is a rational number. It means the term which is equal to it, that is root 3 is also a rational number, but we know that root 3 is an irrational number in fact. So it contradicts our fact that root 3 is an irrational number, hence our assumption is wrong. That is what we have assumed, root 5 plus root 3 is a rational number is wrong statement. It means root 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number, hence proved. I hope everyone must have understood, and if you have any doubt, then write in comment box. Okay, so I will solve your doubt. I will discuss your doubt again.